Hi, it's Roger from Gospel Boat. Today I show you the detail of the 11 meter times 3.3 meter center cabin boat. It's one of the most popular. You can see it's very big. It's very line all around the boat. And we have side with the side door here, easy entry. And it's designed for powertrain Yamaha engine. This 11 meter center cabin boat is powered by this train Yamaha 250 horsepower. You can see it's commercial use. So this very strong power for this boat, and it can be rented for 30 to 40 knots. It's a very strong power and very economic on the fuel. And I always recommend the Yamaha engine, which is very reliable and very economic for long-term use after a few years. And the rear is the huge pump compartment. This for draining all the huge waters. And a very easy entrance from the side door on each side, the rear door. And this one is we deliver with full package with all with engine, with a trailer. So you can see inside of the boat is a very big space. On the side, we designed this the foldable seat on each side. Will makes a lot of passenger capacities. In the middle is a big fuel tank compartment. It's arranged for 1,000 liter fuel tank. And on the roof, it's all with exchange aluminum roof. It's a fixed type, fully welded. So it's very good for the sunshade, for the hot countries. Then you move inside of the cabins. We have the open cabin style. On the side with a lounge seat, with a head on the back. And it's quite good view from the side is 360 degrees. And then we have the captain seat. We have the co-captain seat. And the storage underneath is good for storing some items. Then we have fully equipped with the steering wheel, switch panels, the Garmin electronics, the radar on the roof, and GPS, everything, compass, the strobe for the outboard engines. And another very important features is we have a very functional inside cabin. It's a good berth space for 2 or 3 people inside. And then we have a toilet room. It's really a good space. Then you have a toilet room. And you can put a shower inside. And it's quite good with the skylight as well. So it's good for the overnight fishing and fishing chartering, and a lot of storage space as well, and good for the lady on board. And then very important feature is walk around. I show you the walk around. They're designed with a good grab rail. It's no any pressure for the walk around. So this front of the boat is a very big space, good for the sound bag, and can put cushion on top of this space. And on the front, it's a lot of space. It's very good for the fishing, and we have extra 3 or 4 positions for the fishing. So this one is quite good for the fishing chartering business. And then on the front, we have everything here The ankle winch will be put inside. And we have control of the ankle winch, both here and from the dashboard as well. And then on the roof, you can put a lot of solar panels on the roof, and with inverter to convert to battery electricity. And this one also can be powered with air conditioner with enclosed cabin style. It's a very good one. The windscreen with angles and with the two wipers. So very good view for the captain. Always a safety glass, very strong. On the side is with the sliding windows. On each side of the galley with a lot of rod holders, cup holders for the fishing. And then we have a lot of cabin lights inside of the cabin. Each three on each side, and the LED deck lights. So this one is quite functional. It's one of the most popular wine for our large boat series. So for more details, please contact me and send me the email. Thank you. Bye-bye.